Do you want to speak in English fluently, or did you also have a fear of speaking in English? So don't worry, be with me. At the end of this video, you are going to get an idea how to speak in English fluently. So don't skip the video and let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Keshav. And today in this video we are going to talk about how you can improve your English and how you can speak it confidently in front of people. Learning a language is like learning to play a musical instrument. You have to practice it every single day, and over time you will improve your English and its fluency. The best way to learn a language is to practice it little bit every day. In this lesson, I am going to give you 3 different ways that can incorporate English into your daily life. So let's get straight into it. Number 1. Set yourself a daily word goal. Learn X amount of words every single day. In order to build your vocabulary quickly, you need to learn at least 1 word per day, but hopefully more than that. Keep it with you a word diary or just a notebook or list on your phone. Keep it with you all the time, and when you find a new word, just write it down in your notebook and see how to pronounce it and make a sentence of that word. And then at the end of the day, before you go to sleep, research all of these words and practice them. This will help you train your brain to learn English. After a few weeks, you will always be looking for a new word that you can learn. Number 2. Easy video content. We are talking about cartoons. The language used in it is very simple and it is meant for children to understand. It is the easiest way to learn and improve your spoken English. But you are one of those bros who thinks that you are too old to watch cartoons. That's okay. Your other options are to watch content on YouTube or English movies or English series. You can also watch English cricket commentary to improve your spoken English. Step number 3 is not just as simple as practice karo, it will improve your English. Step number 3 is all about putting your ego aside. A lot of people for some reason associates English with intelligence. If you can speak English, that meant you are intelligent. So a lot of people actually judge other people's English very easily. But keep in mind, every time someone makes fun of you, they are not making fun of you, they are making fun of themselves. If they make fun of your English, that means they are consciously think about their own bad English. That way, step number 3 is not about practice, it's about putting your ego aside. Embrace your mistakes. When you are making mistakes while speaking in English, that's absolutely alright. You shouldn't give a shit about what other people think. You should give a shit about becoming the best version of yourself in every aspect of your life. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this video.
Holy grail.